Hi dear viewers, this is Arash Kamali with another session of the website programming course on the Python programming language and the Django framework. If you remember in the previous session, for the comment section of a news section on our website, we separated the forms for the users who have logged in and the ones who have not logged in. Okay, now in this session, what we are going to do is we are going to make the comments app and then connect it to the forms that we have to save the comments for each news, and that's something that is necessary to be done in this part. The first thing I need to do is to make a new app, Python manage.py start app comment. I made a comment app. Let's see. We need to define it on the project as well. Here, let's see my project int setting.py and url.py. Okay, that's right. Well, here it has been defined. Now it needs to be filled in as well. Comment. Okay, I define my app. Done. That's done now. Now we need to go to improve the app. And in our model, here I get the model. I get another model. I copy it and change the name and call it comment. Okay, now the values that we need, one is the name. We are going to need it. Okay, and the other one would be email. Let's see, and one CM for comment. Okay, the text type. Now then we said we need a field for the PK. We call it code, or for instance news ID. News ID can be integer. Okay, integer type, and here self dot name. All right, we said other fields. These are the essential fields that we need. We could set the date, the time as well. One for the date here and one for the time. Okay, that's it. 12 is enough for time and date. Yep. And okay, so here I made fields for name, email, comment, date, and time, and I save it. On this app, let's see. All right, let's make the URLs. The URLs dot py. Okay, that's it. In the admin, register the app. Okay, we don't need to the permission section. It is already on our app. We need to change this to comment. Okay, that's about it. All right, now let's see. Now the other section that we need to work on is the view section. In the view, Let's see. Okay, instead of main, we say comment, and it is ready. Okay, up to here I have introduced my app and I have set up the initial settings. So I say Python manage.py migrations and Python manage.py migrate the good old command and run server. Okay, now I have made my news app comment. It is ready to receive the comments for the news and save it and show it for each news whether we need it or not.